Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about 8 strand braids and we will do 2 types. Let's get started. So we are going to do flat braid first. This is the type 1 braid we are going to do. So pick the rightmost and cross over 3. Pick the leftmost and cross over this. Now rightmost and crossing over all the cords, leftmost and crossing over all the cords. And this is the same thing we are going to do again and again to have a flat braid. So this is how you do the 8 strand braid, like this. So we have these 8 strands here. Pick the leftmost and cross over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cords like this. And then you can see we have 2 cords here. Leave these 2 cords and then pick these 2 cords and return this cord under these 2 cords like this. So this is the first step. Now the right cord and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then coming back under these 2 cords, pull everything tight. Then pick leftmost, cross all the 5 cords, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and leaving these 2 behind. Then turn back under these 2 cords. Similarly, you will do this here. Pick the right, cross all the cords, and then under these 2 cords, turn back. And we will do the same thing again and again. Crossing all, leaving 2 behind, then under these 2, like this. So that's how you are going to do a round braid by using the 8 strands. So we just learned 2 types of braids by using the 8 strands. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.